Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how you can install Xampp Server on your system. So let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Jawad Abdani and I am a full stack WordPress developer having around 7 years of experience. I am also running a digital agency and proudly serving my clientele all around the globe. So I'd love to share what I've learned so far in my career. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. Now to get started, first of all, we'll have to download the Xampp software from the internet. So for that, we will search for Xampp download on Google, and we need to click on the first link that's from Apache Friends. And currently, I'm using Windows 64-bit, so I'll be downloading this one for myself. You can see which software will work for you, and select that one to download. And now I'm downloading it here. Once the software is downloaded, we will go in, click this small arrow icon, and we'll click show in the folder. And now we'll run this setup here. It may also show you some permission like this, so you have to click OK for that as well. And now once the setup is opened, you'll have to click next and next. And here, as I have already installed Xampp on my system, so I will just write 2. You don't have to do this if you haven't installed Xampp version yet. You can just click next from here as well. And now we'll be clicking next because we'll have to select the English language. And yeah, next again. And it's installing the Xampp for us. So while the setup is installing, it may also show you some permissions like this, maybe some security alerts. So you have to click the allow access button here as well. Once the setup is completed, it will show you something like this. So you'll have to click finish and it will start the control panel automatically. So let me finish this right now. And yeah, the control panel is opened here. So to run the Xampp server, you have to enable the first two modules here, this one and this the second one, the MySQL one. So to check that, we'll type in localhost slash uh, dashboard, or maybe you can just search localhost and it may work. It should work. Yeah, it works now. And let's check the database as well. So for that, we'll type in localhost slash php myadmin. This is where you create all the database for your server. And to create the database, simply you can click this new button and it will open up the page where you can create databases. For example, I'm typing in test2 and clicking the create button, and it has created the database for us, right? So to create a new folder, we'll have to simply go to C, and we installed our Xampp to Xampp 2, and then this is the folder where all the files for the server resides in. For example, if you want to create a new folder, let's say we need to create a new folder called test2, a new directory actually. So we created a folder, and inside this we, let's say, create a new file called index.html to test things. And to add something in this file, we will open this file in a code editor. I'm using Sublime Text for me right now. Here, let's say we will quickly paste our HTML boilerplate to test things, and inside the body we will write hello world to test things if it works or not. And saving the file, and now going into the Google Chrome browser, and to access this folder, I will type localhost slash the directory name we just created, test2, and you'll see that it started working now. Right, so this is how you simply install Xampp server on your system. It may sometimes show up some problems like some port problems. Sometimes the server will not start. So let me know if you get any of these problems, and we'll be happy to help you out. And if you want to learn how you can install WordPress on the Xampp server, I have also created a video inside my channel, so you can click on maybe top right of this video, and you'll find a link that will guide you how you can install WordPress on the Xampp server. So don't forget to subscribe as I'll be posting more valuable content to this channel and I'll be adding more detailed courses in WordPress. So make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.